Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Sometimes the best gifts don't cost a single penny. Let's start with one of the best gifts, a big hug, and I love you. A hug and kind words are priceless. Next is to create a homemade coupon book. Why Mom will love this is because you will include coupons for hugs, help with dishes, reading together, quiet time. The next gift that Mom will love is for you to draw a picture or write a poem. Simple art or words from the heart mean the world. Next is to write little notes. Write Mom notes about your favorite times with her and place them in a jar, in an envelope, or even under. Make your mom feel like the queen she is this Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.